What's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. So if you're new, make sure to subscribe for more tech and money related videos. So in this video, I'll be showing you on how you can transfer money using your Airtel mobile application into your bank account. So I'm going to run you through the whole process step by step. So I'd encourage you to watch this video all the way to the end. So if that sounds interesting, without wasting much of your time, let's hop straight into the video. So I'm going to launch my Airtel mobile application. And then in order for me to sign in, I'm going to click on where it's saying Airtel Money. I'm going to enter my PIN quickly. Alright, so that's how the dashboard looks like. So from here, where you want to click is where it's saying send money, which is on your far left. So you're going to be brought to this display, and then you can see there on top, it's saying to. So you can transfer to an individual or you can transfer to a bank. So this video is all about how you can transfer from your Airtel mobile to your bank account. So you click on where it's saying banks, and then you're going to be brought to this display that's showing you various banks that you can transfer money to. So there's Absa, there's Indo-Zambia Bank, Stanchart, there's Stanbic Bank, there's NatSave, and you can click on the button below that's saying more. As you can see, they've added ZICB Bank. So for an example for this video, the bank that I'm going to use to show you how you can transfer is Absa. So I'll click on Absa. And by the way, if the bank that you're saving with is not appearing among the options, so all you can do is simply create an account with any of the available banks that are showing right now, and you can be able to transfer your money from your Airtel to your bank account in the comfort of your home without having to go outside. So I'll quickly click on Absa. Okay, so here I've been brought to a display where I'm supposed to fill in some details of the recipient of this money. So as you can see, the bank name is Absa. So I'm sending to Absa, and then enter beneficiary name. The beneficiary name is simply the account name of the recipient. So let's say for instance, it's Greenford Capea. I'll just use my names for an example. And then you enter the beneficiary mobile number. So this is the phone number that is attached to the bank account of the recipient. For instance, 097, this is just an example. Usually most account numbers do not contain more than 11 digits. So I'll enter numbers just for an example. Okay, so after you've entered and confirmed that the account number is correct, all you do now is enter a comment on what the money is intended for, so that the recipient should know that this money that they've received is for this particular use. So for instance, you can say buy a smartwatch. And then the next section where it's saying enter amount, which is the final step. So let's say you are sending 1,800, which is approximately equivalent to $100 if we are to convert it from kwacha to dollar. So if you're okay with the breakdown, you've entered the mobile name, you've confirmed that the account number is correct, which is very important, then all you do is simply click on where it's saying proceed. You're going to be brought to this final stage where it's giving you the final breakdown of the transaction that you're about to initiate. So as you can see, we are sending a 1,800 to Absa Bank. The convenience fee is 20 kwacha, which is something less than $2. So the convenience fee is a bank charge that the bank is going to place for your transaction to be successful. So as you can see, our total is 1,820 kwacha. All you do now is simply click on confirm, and you would have successfully transferred your 1,800 to Absa Bank. So thank you so much for sticking out this far. If you've learned one or two things on how you can transfer money from your Airtel mobile account into your bank account, I'll be really glad if you give this video a thumbs up. Stay safe, and I'll check you out in the next video. Peace.